Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Cashapp to Bitcoin wallet. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the steps on how to send money from Cashapp to your Bitcoin wallet. So the first step is to enable the Bitcoin withdrawal in Cashapp. So to do that, you have to open the Cashapp, then tap the investing tab or the Bitcoin icon, which is the capital letter B icon. Then tap on Bitcoin, then tap enable withdraw. If not already enabled, then complete the identity verification if prompted with your photo ID and your SSN. So those two documents are very important, your photo ID and your SSN, just to verify your withdrawal process. Then once that is complete, then move out to the step 2, which is to get your Bitcoin wallet address. So open your external Bitcoin wallet address like Just Wallet, Binance, or Bybit. It depends on your individual preference. Then tap receive and select Bitcoin, which is the BTC abbreviation. Then copy the BTC wallet address. Then the step 3, which is to withdraw BTC from Cashapp. Now go to the Cashapp app, then tap the Bitcoin, which is the big capital letter, then tap withdraw Bitcoin, then paste your wallet address or scan the QR code, depends on your app version. Then enter the amount of BTC you want to send, then tap next, then confirm with PIN or Touch ID or Face ID, and that's how you can simply send money from your Cashapp to your Bitcoin wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.